So the garage door, when it was open, got stuck. But I found out that the trolley was stuck. You'll see a photo of that in a second. And I had to disengage the garage door so I could fix it. And then once I fixed it, the garage door would close just fine, except it would get to the bottom, pop back open again. So I made a further adjustment, and now it works fine. It was really a 10-minute job, not nearly as difficult as it seemed. Now she works like she's supposed to. Our project today is to release this trolley on the garage door opener because it's stuck. Stay tuned. The first step is to unscrew and release this bar at the end of the chain so we can readjust the chain and loosen up the trolley. Once the chain is readjusted a little bit, then you place the trolley approximately where it was before. You put that screwed thread in, tighten that up. It'll tighten all of the links of the chain. The chain should be tight on both sides. Then you'll want to give it a test run. And there you have it. Now originally when I adjusted this went down and it was a little too far. So when it hit the floor of the garage, it popped back up thinking there was something in the way. So I simply tightened it up just a tad to where the trolley was back about another inch and a half, and tried it again. And now it's working like it's brand new. That'll do it for this project. I'm on my way to a couple other things. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.